Welcome back with me, Sunny Compare. Today I want to spot the difference between real and fake pairs of Nike Kobe 5 Protro 5 rings. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, look at on the fake one, the line on the upper material isn't straight with the line on the midsole. Another one also, as you guys can see, the stitching is clearly visible. Where it's on the authentic one, is the stitches here is clearly done. The line here is straight on point between the upper material and the midsole. Where it's on the fake one is slightly to the left. On the forefoot here, as you guys can see, the line on the upper material isn't straight with the midsole also. You can see here on the marking area, the line on the upper material is slightly to the right. Another sample also, you can see here a lot of glue stain right on top of the midsole. It's very dirty. Compared to the authentic one here, is very clean. Again, another one, the line here is misplaced. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, the holes here are too close with the midsole. Should be like the authentic one here, it has a little bit gap. Look at on the fake one. The midsole here is very clear on the authentic one, or it's on the fake one, the outsole here is too transparent. And take a closer look here, as you guys can see, there is a white glue stain right on top of the midsole on the fake one. And also this one is too close, the holes on top here, too close with the line. On the fake one, where it's on the authentic one, it has a little bit gap between the line and the holes. And next one, as you guys can see, the holes here is slightly go down, it touched the midsole. On the upper material isn't straight with the midsole, the line on the midsole. Should be like the authentic one here. Moving to the back of the shoe, the shape of the upper heel is slightly longer on the fake one compared to the authentic, a little bit shorter on the authentic one. Take a closer look, as you guys can see, the Kobe signature on the fake one is messed up. Kinda, it has a little bit shadow. The color here is a little bit off. Another sample also, as you guys can see, look at on my pointer. Here, also here, the color on the Kobe signature is messed up. Here also is cropped. There is missing one dot here on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Another sample also, the signature color is cropped. Moving to the outsole here, the color of the Kobe logo on the outsole here is messed up, whereas on the authentic one is very crisp. The shape here is very crisp. And also there is a white glue stain on the fake one compared to the authentic one, there is no glue stain. Another one also, the shape of the Kobe logo here is too big on the fake one compared to the authentic one. Another one also, still same. The color is messed up, you can see here. And also another one, there is a white glue stain and also too much gap between the outsole and the blue part here. The outsole of the fake one is too transparent compared to the authentic one here. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question and request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can write in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.